Hello viewers, my name is Mahesh and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the new Kia Sonet. Kia Motors India has revealed that the Sonet sub 4 meter SUV will be launched in the country on 18 September 2020. Booking for the model commenced on 20 August 2020 for an amount of 25,000. The model will be offered in HT line and GT line. The Kia Sonet will be available with two petrol engines that include 1.2 liter NA unit which produce 81 bhp and 115 Nm of torque, will be mated only to a 5-speed manual gearbox, while the latter a 1 liter turbo petrol unit which produces 117 bhp and 172 Nm of torque will be paid for a 6-speed IMT unit or a 7-speed DCT unit. Also on offer will be a 1.5 liter diesel mill available in two state of tunes. The variant with a 6-speed manual unit will be capable of producing 97 bhp and 240 Nm of torque, while the variant with a 6-speed torque converter automatic unit will be producing 112 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. Feature highlights of Kia Sonet will include full LED headlamps, projector fog lights, LED tail lights, shark fin antenna, 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and contrast colored rear diffuser. Inside, the model will be equipped with a 10.25-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system, sound mode lighting, sunroof, ventilated front seats, wireless charging with cooling function, drive and traction control modes, as well as a Bose Source 7-speaker music system. The Sonet will receive safety features such as 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, ESC, VSM, brake assist and hill start assist. The fuel efficiency figures of the models were recently leaked. According to the leaks, the 1.2 liter NA petrol engine paired only to a 5-speed manual transmission will return a fuel efficiency of 18.4 km per liter. The 1 liter turbo petrol motor for the model, which will be available with a 6-speed IMT unit and a 7-speed DCT unit, will return the fuel economy of 18.2 km per liter and 18.3 km per liter respectively. The 1.5 liter diesel mill of the Kia Sonet will be offered with a 6-speed manual unit and a 6-speed torque converter automatic unit, will have the fuel efficiency of 24.1 km per liter and 19 km per liter respectively. The new Kia Sonet will be offered in 6 variants that include HTE, HTK, HTK Plus, HTX, HTX Plus and GTX Plus. The color options on the model will include intense red, beige gold, aurora black, pearl, gravity grey, steel silver, intelligence blue, glacier white and clear white. Also on offer will be dual tone colors options such as intense red with aurora black pearl, beige and gold with aurora black pearl and glacier white pearl with aurora black pearl. So that's it for now guys. I hope you like this video. Share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.